you imagine that woman, Ruth?
What has she done now?
After all the money we spent buying asoebi for her wedding, she got divorced after 1 week. And now she says she will not refund anybody. 1 week. Was that a marriage or a rehearsal?
Angelica, please calm down. I just returned from work. My head is already aching.
I told you this would happen.
What are you talking about?
That's for you. You better not even think of leaving this marriage. Because in this marriage, only one person will leave. And it will be through death.
Jesus. So because Ruth got divorced, I am the one who will suffer.
Good morning.
Good morning. Jessica, wait!
Femi, are you now following me around this village?
No, it's not like that. I was actually going to the market too.
The same market I am going to?
Maybe the market just wants us to meet.
Pepper!
You carry that heavy basket every day?
Yes. Why? What are you doing? You cannot even balance it.
It's heavier than it looks. If I can carry your basket,
Oh, and what does that mean?
maybe one day I can carry all your problems too.
First, learn to carry the basket before you start carrying problems.
Jessica, you wound me, but I like the challenge.
Mama, why are you staring at the door?
Hush, Kemi. Just eat your groundnuts.
But I'm bored. Mama, Jessica is taking too long.
That girl went to the market since morning. Is she planting the tomatoes or selling them?
Maybe she met her friends.
Friends or boys?
Mama, you think she met a boyfriend?
That girl shouldn't try it. Let her enter this house first.
Mama, if Jessica brings a boyfriend home, will you chase him away? Or will you ask him to pay bride price first?
Kemi!
You know, today was the first time the market felt too short for me
Why?
because I enjoyed walking with you.
You talk too much.
And yet, you still stayed. Jessica, I think I'm starting to like you.
Maybe I like you too. It's late. My mother will finish me if I get home late.
Jessica, tomorrow at the market.
We'll see. If my mother catches me tonight, I am finished. You nearly gave me a heart attack.
You should see your face.
Not funny. I thought you were a ghost.
Jessica, my future wife.
God, Coco, are you mad?
I have told you before, destiny has joined us together. You will forever be my bride. I will make you very happy.
Oh, Poco, you and your destiny talk. With which money? Please shift. I'm already late.
Jessica, our children will be very beautiful.
Go and marry yourself.